How are you feeling, my friend? You're gonna make sausages.
Yeah, we're gonna make sausages today. How exciting!
You're excited. Nice.
Really excited. I don't usually eat meat, but this is a one-off, so no problem.
Have you ever done this before?
No, never.
Never.
In my life.
Yeah, nice.
I remember watching Dad make sausages with a similar machine of what we're gonna make today, but I've never done this myself. No.
That's the machine that we're gonna use for making sausages. Oh, Stefano's looking great. Very sexy. Talk to
8 kilo.
So this lamb has been freshly ground yesterday. It's already had salt and pepper added to it, and we're just weighing it out to make the amount for the sausages.
Exactly 8 kilos. That's cumin, nutmeg, paprika, and that's paprika but smoked one.
Smoke.
Papryczka piri.
Pepper, black pepper, piri paprika, that's rosemary, and pepper like in a whole. No i to jest ciocia moja, która wygląda kielbasę.
Wegetarianka? Poświęcenie dla moich gości.
Tak.
Oni tylko widzieli.
Przyjechała do nas rodzina z Australii i dlatego ciocia się tak poświęca. We're gonna make two groups of people and... Okay, so in my team is my dad and my beautiful auntie who's vegetarian. And she doesn't eat meat, but she can sacrifice herself. But that's called a team!
And here we have Team Australia. We got Zosh, Chris, and myself. And what are we going to do?
We're going to kill him.
Kill him! Woo, Team Australia!
And here we have the Polish team working very hard, as they will need to beat the Australian team. Even though they're Polish, their sausage skills are probably needing a little bit of an improvement. They're going to need some help. And but there's Christian, he's working in the spices. His muscles are working overtime. Emma's come along, she's the advisor. And as usual, we have Darek, who is the supervisor. The Australian team are really struggling here. They haven't even made up their mind in regards to what spices, and are getting advice. Finally, has some spices happening. Stephen's ready to get his hands dirty.
We've washed our hands.
Australian team has finally put in their first little bit of spice. The Polish team, as usual, are drinking vodka.
Ze słoików pijemy małych.
The mixer here, Krystian Sembrowski, is still working very hard, testing his muscles. He will probably wear out halfway through the time, and his dad will take over. Coming back to them, have finally made a second contribution to the meat of some spicing. We are yet to know, the Australian team aren't releasing any of the secret spices that they're putting in. Back to the Polish team. Eva's just watching. She's making sure that Christian is working that very hard. The Australian team have taken some of the spices from the Polish team. Okay, folks,
Who doesn't love paprika?
this is a move that we had not expected and was not necessarily in the script, but there you go. So we come back to here. We have done it. Supervise. Come on, Christian. Move. Harder. You must mix this more thoroughly. This is what he's saying, as I know fluent Polish. The Australian team has finally got their third ingredient. Very slow off the mark here, the Australian team. But the Polish team, they're so far ahead, it doesn't matter. I don't know who's going to do the mixing on the Australian team. Here comes the overall boss chef of this kitchen. This is Barbara Zofia. Barbara Zofia, not to be confused with Zofia Barbara. She's doing the inspection tours. She will be probably the final judge on to whether we've gone too far or
Jeszcze, bo
not.
ma więcej siły.
Finally, the Australian team have finally got to that stage. Very slow off the mark, this man here in the Australian team, but we'll see what happens.
Good.
Ugniatał masaże.
You love the feel?
Love the feel.
This is it. Darek is doing the taste test and he thinks it might be alright. They're discussing what they're going to do.
Krystian uczy się robienia kiełbasy. Źle mu to nie wychodzi. Steven się uczy, nie Krystian, proszę bardzo. Okej, zobacz jaka. Wszyscy udzielamy się dzisiaj. Zosiu? Okej. Very good. Kuba, very good. Very good. Chris, very good. Very good. Excellent. Proszę bardzo. Okej. Wszyscy są. Darek też.
Team Poland Eva is making some pulled pork for pierogi. Ania Eva.
Pierogi. Dam ci sera na pierogi.
And over here we have Team Poland's second member, Darek. Look at this. He's broken it, so he's going to have to start again.
It's the filling for the pierogi. The
You
Russian
said-
one. The Russian pierogi.
Russian pierogi. Ruski pierogi. What do you have here? What is this?
Cheese and potato.
And potato. So you're just putting it through to blend it all up. Wow, this is going to taste really good. Is this your favourite pierogi?
It is my favorite.
Yeah.
It's the best.
Look, Sasha's making pierogi! Woo! Look. Everything's happening here. Thermomix is going. Evan's making pierogi. These fellas are doing a lovely job. Chris is filming. Sasha's making some cool stuff. Christian's making some more sausage. And these boys are hanging them up to dry. Darek, look! My goodness! You're trying to get us drunk!
Nie ma jego, my jest tylko kij.
Kapi! After all, yeah?
Chorizo. Amen. Crazy Darek.
Crazy Darek.
Oh, look what we have here! Look! Darek! The men really know how to cook. And Kielbasa too, have a look. Super knows how to cook.
Yeah, it's garlic and onion, yeah.
And we have fresh meat with this made.
Meal on it.
Check it out! Pierogi production line. Everyone's like got a piece of making this. Woo. Yeah, look!
Umyć ręce.